Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about this look right here. So I know it's not a lot, but I was thinking about a video for Christmas and this idea came through my mind. So this is my super quick makeup look for the girl who partied a little bit too much last night. We all been through there. And I will be there this Christmas time, so this is the makeup I will do if I had something the morning after, like a brunch or something like this. So this makeup doesn't take me a lot of time, a lot of tool, and a lot of makeup, so win-win for all of us. So before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to put the thumbs up if you like this type of video and to follow me on my social media. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So first, for my super quick makeup, I'm gonna do my brows. So with my brow pencil, I'm just gonna do some light stroke, so just like this, and I'm gonna go to my other brows again super quickly. So this one is gonna be more quicker than the other because this is my good brows. So I know they are not perfect, but this is what it's gonna be for today because we want to go quick, and because the makeup doesn't gonna look perfect if your brows are way too Instagram brows, it's gonna look weird. Those brows look good when you have a full bead on makeup face. So when you had only like a BB cream and a bold brow, it can be a little bit weird, so I'm gonna go with it. So now I'm gonna apply a little bit of primer. So for primer, I'm gonna use my Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer just on my T-zone. I'm gonna prime my under eyes too because I want to hide my bad boy under. We don't want them. So I know this step can be like why you put another step to a quickly routine, but for me it's helped me when I'm gonna do my concealer, because that way I'm not gonna use as concealer as I want. So for foundation, I'm gonna use something a little bit not strange, but it can be a little bit strange for some people. So I'm gonna use my moisturizer. So this is my CeraVe lotion, moisturizing lotion with some foundation. So I'm gonna mix it for create a BB cream. So if you have a BB cream, go with it, and you need to have your hands clean because I'm gonna apply this with my hands. So I'm gonna apply my moisturizer first, and then I'm gonna mix with a little bit. Yee! I said a little bit. I'm just gonna clean my hands and redo it because right now it's a mess. I'm gonna first put my moisturizer there, and I'm gonna apply a little bit, please, of foundation just to put a little bit of a tint in my moisturizer. I'm gonna mix this. So why I put some moisturizer on my foundation? So first, it's because we want to do something quick. Also, I put a little bit of foundation into my moisturizer to have like a little bit of something. But I mostly put moisturizer into my foundation because sometimes when you have partying a little bit too hard last night, your skin can look creepy. Putting foundation on tops will not look good at all because it's gonna look way more dry. So I love to do this technique when I'm super on the go, because also this blends super easily, and also with this technique you don't need also a baby cream. You can just mix everything and do your own, so you don't need two products. You have already a moisturizer, you have already a foundation, just be the scientist and create your stuff. So also, if you want more coverage into the BB cream, put a little bit more foundation on it, so you can pimp your stuff. So I love this so much. My skin looks good. My skin doesn't look cakey. I know it's gonna be blend A1. So I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me. So I know it's gonna be a little bit too light, and I don't want to put a lot on my face because my face is more on the natural skin like. So oh shit, this is way too light. I'm just gonna put a little bit more concealer, a little bit more dark, because this is my Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. So I'm not gonna put a lot, because if you have like a super full coverage concealer and you have your moisturizer foundation, it's gonna look a little bit weird. So, and with my brush, I'm just gonna put a little bit of foundation where I want to, because I have some pimple, and where you want to put a little bit more coverage. So if you have something like you doesn't like on your skin, like I said before my camera died again, so you can see a little bit of redness through the moisturizer foundation, but that doesn't bother me at all. It looks skin-like, it looks fresh, and yeah. So I'm gonna quickly set under my eyes, but super softly. I just want to set the concealer where I may be crease. So, and I'm not gonna set the rest of my face because I want to look more glowy, natural, something like this. So now I'm gonna quickly brown my skin with some butter bronzer. So and I'm just gonna throw this a little bit into my crease. I'm gonna put this all on my lids too, so just like this. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. For blush, I'm gonna take my Romantic Rose blush by Milani and just quickly put this on my face. For highlight, you can do a big bunch of highlight if you want to, but me, I want to stay on my more natural side. So I could take my Laura Mercier highlight matte radiance kind of stuff, or I had to the Hourglass strobe light powder. So I'm gonna mix these two together. So this is good also for more matured skin, or for the girl who had a lot of texture on your cheeks, so it doesn't gonna emphasize all the texture on your skin. So this is L'Oreal Brow Gel. I'm gonna put some mascara on. So first I'm gonna curl my lash. So because I'm not gonna do falsie today, because we don't have time, I'm gonna first prime them and put some mascara on. So these two are from Marc Jacobs. I know right now I look crazy because I have some blue under my eyes, but partying last night was way too hard on me. So now for my lips, I'm gonna quickly line them because I need to. So this is my Essence Soft Berry Lip Pencil. But I'm not gonna like overdraw my lips a lot. So for my lips, I'm gonna use my Melting Lip Click by Sephora because right now my lips are dry. And yeah, so you don't need a lip pencil with this. And on top I'm gonna put a little bit of Fenty gloss. So this is the original one. So that's it guys for my look. So this is my super fresh look. Good for all mom out there, good for all people who work. Also this is good for all my party girl for Christmas. So if you have something the other days or brunch or something like this gonna look so perfect for you who doesn't sleep at all last night. So I don't have anything else to say besides I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye.